Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today's we're gonna be talking about. Well, first of all, I did it. Okay, so that's first and foremost. I did it. I lost my my pounds back to my pre-corona weight. So I definitely did good. I think I'm proud of myself for doing it. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today, guys. We're gonna be talking about how the journey was and all that stuff. Was it great? Was it bad? Was it horrible? And we're also going to be talking about my next challenge, which I think you guys will enjoy. All right, so let's talk about it. So like I said, this journey was unique. It was special. Was it the greatest? No, it absolutely was not. Especially the past week, the week before finishing this whole thing. It was, oh my God, it was so horrible because my birthday weekend was the previous weekend. So of course I told you guys I was not gonna do any kind of intermittent fasting or some things like that for my birthday. And my wife really treated me absolutely well for my 32nd birthday. So I had fun. I ate cake. I ate great stuff. I ate great breakfast, a great lunch, great dinner, and stuff like that. So I put on a few pounds during that weekend, but I was completely expecting it. I was completely fine with it. So the week after that, so when everything went to hell. So it was such a. Well, first of all, I had 1 week left, and I had to lose 10 pounds, right? 10 pounds, something like that. I think 10 pounds. But that 10 pounds, it wasn't moving like I wanted it to move. Like, what's going on? So I started eating salad. So every day I ate salad. Every day until I lost weight. Literally every day I ate salad. It was not fun. But I learned a lot during this weight loss journey. I learned a lot. First of all, one of the main things I want you guys to get from this video, one thing I want you guys to gather, if you don't remember anything else, I want you to remember this. It is not worth it to one, it's not worth it to starve yourself. One, two, it's not worth it to forego the things that you love per se. Okay, so I'm not saying that, if you eat like trash, you should continue eating like trash. That's not what I mean. What I mean is that if you're eating relatively okay, all I would want you to do is just to limit how much of what you're eating, limit how much of what you're eating, and then make sure that you are exercising, okay? Because one thing I don't want you to do is I don't want you to hate what you're eating, okay? That's one. Two, I don't want you to loathe eating time. So it's the eating time. You're supposed to love eating time, right? Your lunch, your dinner, whenever time you're eating, you're supposed to. This is time to eat, to enjoy life, right? So I don't want anybody to be eating salads when they don't love salads. So one thing I would recommend is that when you are trying to lose weight, first of all, give yourself an ample time to lose weight. So the first time I did it, matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys something. The first time I lost weight, I think I was like 190 or something like that. And I lost 20 pounds in 2 months. This time I did it in 2 months. So that time, this is how I looked at 175, right? And this is how I look like at 175 now. So if you notice that the first time, matter of fact, that I lost the 175, I looked a lot better than this time when I lost 175. It's because of how I did it. Okay, so how you do it matters. How you do it matters. How your body responds to it determines. How you do it determines how your body responds to it. So if you do it well, your body responds to it well. If you do it like I did this time, your body doesn't respond to it as well as it should, and that's just how your body is. You gotta give your body time to adjust. You gotta give your body time to recognize what's happening. You can't just force your body to do all these stuff. It was crazy, man. That last week was very crazy. Another thing that I learned is that, guys, it's so simple to lose weight. It's simple. Absolutely everyone can do it. The problem is that when we try to lose weight, we try to lose too much at one time. We try to lose too much at one time, and we go into this funk. And then when we get into this funk, it's like, oh, yo, I can't do this. This is too much. And that's the problem. But the exercising is the main thing. One of the things I learned throughout this journey is that exercising, losing burning calories is actually really simple. It's really simple. You can burn calories as you're watching TV. What I did was I just did jumping jacks. I just did running. I ran in place. All right, and making sure that your heart rate stays high is the primary thing, because your calorie count is directly linked to your heart rate. Okay, so I can try to keep my heart rate around 150 averagely. I think 130. Sometimes I jump to 130 when I rest a little bit too much. But as soon as it's dropping down, boom, I do jumping jacks or run in place again, get it back up there. And then it's really that simple. Do that. I did that for like 40 minutes or 2 episodes, two episodes, and boom, that's it. So once the episodes were finished, it's not like I was done watching TV. I still kept on watching TV, but I was done. Now I can just relax. All right. So guys, just exercise for 2 episodes. Don't think about the time. Just exercise for 2 episodes. Make sure your heart rate stays up. Do your jumping jacks. Do your jumping jack. Do your running in place. Whatever you want to do to get your heart rate up. Just get it up there. And in between you're running and jumping in place, maybe you can do some push-ups if you want to do some squats. Do that just to, for the muscular aspect of things, and just to make sure that you're constantly active. All right, that's one of the main things. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. I believe that everyone can lose weight. It's really simple, guys. Everyone can absolutely lose weight. But when you're doing it, make sure that you do it in a way where you actually enjoy what you're eating. You actually enjoy the process. The process is not too strenuous. Guys, we have to limit how much we do eat, but we also want to enjoy our food, okay? That's one of the biggest things I learned about this. You want to enjoy your food, because that last week was a hell. Oh my God. All right, so the next challenge that I have is to, as I showed you guys last time, is to be able to do a split just by doing these 2 exercises, which is internal, external hip rotation. Do those 2 exercises and then see how low we can go, okay? And give myself until February 1st. Give myself 2 months and then see exactly what happens. So January 1st, we're gonna re-up and see exactly what we are. And then February 1st, we're gonna see if we're able to reach our goal. Again, the reason why I'm doing these challenges is to show you guys that there are ways to do things. There are better ways to do things than the way we know them. Maybe there are ways to improve on the ways that we know. Especially with this one. This one, typically people would stretch and do all these things to get into the position. But the reason why your muscles are tight in the first place is because their stabilizers, or the stabilizer for that joint, isn't doing what it's supposed to do. So the whole point of this is to see how much flexibility you can gain just by strengthening the stabilizers of that joint. All right, so that's what this is for. And hopefully everything pans out and things work out well. So you guys know exactly what to do and how to maintain your flexibility and your strength. So it's gonna be exciting, man. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you click the bell notification so when I drop a video, you can see exactly what's happening. The challenges, if they're met, they're not met. Hopefully I meet every challenge that I take. And also in the comment down below, what I want you guys to do is to give me a challenge. What challenge do you think that I should be taking on? Maybe something that you see that there's some kind of debate around or something like that, and you want me to take that challenge and see what I can do with it, what pertains to the human body. Nothing crazy, human body, exercise and things like that. So I'll be doing another weight loss challenge maybe down the line, and see exactly doing some funky things to see exactly where I can get to it. But for now, I'm sticking to the challenge I'm doing now. And hopefully by February 1st, I'll be doing a very, 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 very easy straddle or side split. So I'll catch you guys next time. See ya. Bye.